Good morning, dear students. A very warm welcome to you on this online platform. Dear students, I hope you understood the poem Walk a Little Slower so that we can discuss English workshop based on the poem in today's session. Dear students, here I tried to guide you on some of the important questions. Rest of the things you can do at home. Let's start the first question. The first question is put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. See, this is a very simple activity. You can do you can do it easily. The dot 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 is talking to its dot dot dot. I hope you got the answer. It will be like this. The child is talking to its father. I repeat once again. The child is talking to its father. Now look at the second sentence. The dot 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 is leading and the dot 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 is following. It is also very simple. The father is leading and the child is following. Once again I repeat. The father is leading and the child is following. See another one. Someday dot 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 will become a dot dot dot. It is also easy. I hope you got the answer. Someday the child will become a father. Someday the child will become a father. Then the next one is the dot 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 does not wish to fall while following its dot dot dot. Here the answer is like this. The child does not wish to fall while following its father. You can note down these blanks in your notebook. Have a look at another activity which is so simple based on rhyming pairs or rhyming words. Small fall, see me, be me, true you. These are the rhyming pairs which occurs in our poem. You can understand them quickly so that you will be able to find out more such rhyming pairs. Uh, it is uh, it is an important part of a poem and often uh, it is asked in a test, first term or second term. So it is necessary to understand them. Here you need to look at the rhyme of every line so that you will be able to find out such more examples. This is another important activity based on grammar. Here it is expected to write continuous actions from day-to-day life. Let's see. First example is given to you, that is you are leading me. Same like that we will try to form such examples. First one, let's see. The child is following its father. Children, you can imagine this is a continuous action. The child is following its father. तो आत्ता काय करतोय तर आपल्या वडिलांना फॉलो करतोय असा त्याचा अर्थ होतोय आणि ही जी क्रिया आहे दॅट इज गोइंग ऑन राईट नाउ. आत्ता ती क्रिया चालू आहे. लुक ॲट अनदर सेंटेन्स. द चाइल्ड इज रिक्वेस्टिंग इट्स फादर. इवन दो इन द सेकंड सेंटेन्स तो आत्ता रिक्वेस्ट करतोय. द ॲक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. ॲक्शन ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल. The father is leading his child. Here the subject is different. That is father. तो father काय करताय तर ते आपल्या मुलाला लीड करतायत. राईट नाव, आत्ताच्या घडीला ते लीड करतायत. द फादर इज लीडिंग हिज चाइल्ड. Another example, they are reading a poem. Maybe they stands for the students, and right now they are reading a poem. The action is going on. Another example, she is watching her favorite movie. Maybe she got free time and therefore she is watching her favorite movie. आत्ता ती काय करते तर तिचा जो फेवरेट मूवी असेल तो बघत आहे. The another one example is, the father is walking so fast. As you have learnt in this poem, father's action is very fast, action of walking. Then another example, parents are advising children not to go outside. See, here the subject is parents and they are advising continuously. आज ते तुम्हाला कंटिन्युअसली ॲडवाइस देत आहेत, कंटिन्युअसली सांगतायत नॉट टू गो आउटसाइड, बाहेर जाऊ नये यासाठी. यावरून मुलांना आपल्या असं लक्षात येतं की इन ऑर्डर टू फॉर्म कंटिन्युअस ॲक्शन वी हॅव अ पर्टिक्युलर फॉर्मॅट. इट गोज लाईक दिस, subject plus am, is, are plus verb with ing plus object. Once again, subject plus am, is, are plus verb with ing form and plus object. You need to remember this. You need to remember this structure so that you can form easily more and more sentences. I hope you understood how to write such sentences. Therefore, try to frame at least 10 examples by your own. This is a personal response question. You can write your own view. The question is like this: do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? This is a very common question. Everybody has a role model and they possess following qualities. First one is optimistic. Optimistic म्हणजे काय तर आशावादी. The person who is hopeful about future. Second one is confident. Confident म्हणजे आत्मविश्वास. Whatever he or she performs, he or she performs confidently. Another one is hardworking. Maybe that person works for 8 hours, 10 hours or more than that. It denotes hard work. Communicative. Communicative म्हणजे काय तर संप्रेषण. That person should have the quality of communication. Communication with fellow workers or you can say colleagues. रिस्पेक्टफुल, आदरणीय अशी ती व्यक्ती असलीच पाहिजे. नेक्स्ट वन इज नॉलेजेबल. ही or she should possess knowledge and he or she should apply it according to the situation. The last one is vision. Vision म्हणजे काय तर मुलांनो दूरदृष्टिकोन. Vision about own development, vision about society's development, vision about nation's development. Now you can observe both the pictures. These pictures are not new for you. First one is about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Second one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of our country. Children, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had a vision about Swarajya. Apart from this, look at this quote. Dreams is not what you see in sleep, is the thing which doesn't let you sleep, by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. How inspirational it is. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम तुम्हाला असं सांगतायत की तुम्ही झोपल्यानंतर जे स्वप्न बघता ते तुमचं स्वप्न नसतं, तर स्वप्न हे असतात जे तुम्हाला झोपच लागू देत नाहीत. अतिशय प्रेरणादायी अशी ही दोनही व्यक्तिमत्व. त्यामुळेच आज आपण म्हणू शकतो की they are not new for you. You can find all the qualities listed here within these two personalities. Therefore, everybody wants to emulate them in their life. Children, you can find your own role model and try to find out these qualities within them. This is yet another personal response question. You can write your own experience. The question is like this. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision, actions of your family members, but realized later on that they were right. Write about it in 5 or 8 lines. Children, this is fully about your own personal response. This is fully about your own personal experience. So you can write by your own. I will not guide you here. You will try. Thanks for watching. Dear students, make a separate notebook for every subject and solve all the exercises given properly. Note down your difficulties so that we can help you when the school reopens. Thanks once again.